In this video, I'm going to show you how I make my pesto vegetarian pizza using the outer aisle pizza crust. It's keto-friendly, healthy, and so yummy. Here are the ingredients. Outer aisle pizza crust. I like to use this because it's already flavored and has less carb. Only 3 grams of carb per crust. This is really good for those who are on a keto diet. It's made of cauliflower and has eggs and cheese in it. For veggie toppings, I like spinach, maybe 20 leaves, red bell pepper sliced into thin strips, tomatoes sliced into thin half circles, and red onions sliced into thin strips. For pesto, I use this one that is vegan. You can find it at any health food store or vegan section in a grocery store. But it doesn't have to be vegan, you can just use the regular one if you want. For cheese, I use shredded mozzarella. Are you on a keto diet? Try this nutritional spray that supports a healthy keto diet regimen. For more info, visit the website link in the description below. So now let's put the toppings on the crust. First, of course, is to spread the pesto on the crust. Take note that it is a small size crust, just good for 1 serving. So make 2 of them if there's 2 of you, and so on. Then add the rest of the vegetables. It's up to you which one you want to put first. But for me, I usually add first the ones that cook easily, because I think whatever is on the top gets cooked first. Then lastly, sprinkle some shredded mozzarella on top. Set the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Then cook the pizza for 10 minutes. Or just follow the instructions on the outer aisle packaging. And there's our pesto vegetarian pizza. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more healthy recipe videos.